Welcome to study a fourth chapter in class 9th ICSE Chemistry, that is structure of atom and chemical bonding. So in this video we are going to take a brief review about historical background of how the structure of atom arrived. So it was John Dalton who put forward the very first atomic theory where he stated that atoms are indivisible and invisible. That means we cannot see the atom. Apart from that, we cannot divide atom. So atoms are fundamental particle of every matter. Beyond that, it is impossible for us to divide. But there were some experiments which were conducted by Sir J.J. Thomson, William Crookes. They proved atom of an element is consist of still smaller particle which they name as an electron. Then Ernest Goldstine, with his experiment, he proved the presence of one more fundamental particle of an atom, that is called a proton. So, with this particular J.J. Thomson and Goldstine's discovery, Sir J.J. Thomson put forward very first model of an atom, which is also called as plum pudding model of an atom. So we have this plum pudding model of an atom in which he proposed atom is a sphere of positive charge. So you have atom as a sphere of positive charge on which a negative charge has been embedded, just like raisins or dates which are put on a pudding. So if I have a sphere of positive charge, so here this is a sphere of positive charge, okay. Now, so this is a sphere of positive charge on which a negative charge is embedded. So let me have this negative charge here, negative charge, negative charge, negative charge, negative charge, like that. Just like you have a dates or raisins which have been put on pudding, so like that we have atom as a whole sphere of positive charge on which I got a negatively charged electrons have been present. So there is a positive and negative balance has been found. Okay. Now, moving further, but this plum pudding model doesn't support many of the experimental evidences or proofs. So we had Ernest Rutherford. He come up with his famous gold foil experiment where he bombarded the fast-moving alpha particles on the gold foil and come up with a conclusion that most of the spaces of an atom are empty. So here he predicted the presence of nucleus of an atom which is positively charged, and mass of an atom is generally situated at the center, which he call it as a nucleus, of an atom. So the whole mass of an atom resides at the center, that's called as a nucleus of an atom. But this model also suffers with the drawback wherever any charged body revolves around another charged body, it should continuously radiate energy. But this explanation, what required, was not given by Rutherford, so his model also suffers with the drawback. So towards end, we got a Neil Bohr. He come up with the model of an atom in which he took a point from from Rutherford's atomic model and consider this particular stated that there is a centrally positively charged nucleus and surrounding to that we have a negatively charged electrons are moving. So you got a negatively charged electron and this is positively charged. nucleus, positively charged nucleus. He stated that in a certain fixed orbit, whatever the electron which is revolving, it will not radiate energy. It will not radiate energy. And later on, James Chadwick proposed the presence of third fundamental particle, which is called a neutron, Now this neutron do not carry any charge, but has got same mass as that of atom. Sorry, as that of proton, we can say. Okay. So here, based on this particular conclusions, I can say this is the central positively charged nucleus, which consists of proton and neutron. Okay, this I call it as nucleus of an atom, where the whole mass of an atom is situated, and surrounding to that nucleus in a spherical orbit or shell, I got electrons are there. That's negative charge. So this is electron which revolves. Okay, so this is electron is negatively charged. Okay, so I have three fundamental particles, that is proton, it is positively charged. I have electrons, that is negatively charged, and I have neutrons, that is chargeless. In further video, we are going to discuss about the properties of proton, electron, neutron. Thank you for watching.